The Unicarriers P1F series of forklifts offer the most advanced range of features from any Japanese-built forklifts with capacities from 1,800 to 3,500 kilograms. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. These trucks come with a fuel-injected engine that provides outstanding performance and at the same time achieves low fuel consumption and low emissions. Lifting performance is impressive with lift heights to 7,000 millimetres and the mast has soft landing function as well. These forklifts have a low centre of gravity which combines with axle sway control to guarantee stability. Safe operation is enhanced by the built-in weight gauge and tilt levelling. And for security, all units come as standard with selectable driver PIN codes. Further safety features include an operator presence system and a seal belt interlock in the ergonomically configured cab, which has been designed to reduce fatigue and improve productivity. And you can find out more from all the W's, lencrowforklifts.com.au, or call them on 1300 536 276. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.